Have you ever wondered if we're truly alone in the universe? What if there's a civilization out there so advanced that they've built a megastructure around a star to harness its energy? Sounds like something out of science fiction, right? Well, that's exactly what some scientists believe could exist, a Dyson sphere. But what if we've been missing signs of these alien megastructures right in front of us? In this video, we'll dive deep into the mystery of the Dyson sphere, explore the evidence and ask the big question, could we be on the verge of discovering extraterrestrial life? Let's find out. The concept of a Dyson sphere. Imagine a structure so vast that it entirely surrounds a star, capturing nearly all of its energy. This mind-boggling idea was proposed by the brilliant physicist Freeman Dyson in 1960. Dyson introduced this concept as a way for advanced civilizations to meet their ever-growing energy demands. The theory suggested that a civilization capable of building such a megastructure would be able to harness the immense energy produced by a star, far more than what we could ever dream of tapping into on Earth. In essence, a Dyson sphere could be composed of countless solar-collecting satellites orbiting around a star and capturing its energy output, potentially providing energy for an entire civilization for thousands or even millions of years. Dyson's original proposal, which has since become known as the Dyson sphere, was more a thought experiment than a practical blueprint. However, it sparked the imagination of scientists, science fiction writers, and the general public. The concept suggested that if a civilization could build such a structure, it would signify an incredibly advanced technological society. This led to the development of the Dyson scale, a set of theoretical stages of energy usage by a civilization, with a Dyson sphere representing the ultimate stage. While the idea might seem futuristic, it continues to captivate minds today. Some believe that the search for alien megastructures like Dyson spheres could lead to the discovery of extraterrestrial life, civilizations that have reached a level of technological mastery far beyond ours. Could such structures exist out there in the vastness of space waiting to be discovered? It's an intriguing question, and while we haven't yet found any Dyson spheres, the concept has inspired scientific exploration into what advanced life forms could build if they had access to resources far beyond what we can imagine. The mystery of unexplained dimming. In 2015, astronomers discovered something strange, a star that didn't behave like any other star they had observed. This star, KC 8462852, also known as Tabby's star, exhibited unusual dimming patterns that were unlike anything expected from a typical stellar life cycle. Instead of gradually fading in brightness as stars usually do, Tabby's star experienced sudden erratic dips in its light output, sometimes as much as 22%. This discovery sparked an immediate flurry of speculation. Could this phenomenon be evidence of an alien megastructure like a Dyson sphere passing in front of the star, blocking its light in a way that seemed too structured to be natural? The unusual dimming patterns caught the attention of scientists and the public alike, especially because the fluctuations in light seemed so irregular and extreme. For a while, many wondered if the dips were caused by a massive artificial object or array, perhaps a giant fleet of solar-collecting satellites orbiting the star. If true, this would represent one of the most significant discoveries in the search for extraterrestrial life, as it could indicate the existence of an advanced civilization. The idea of an alien megastructure around a distant star was both captivating and mind-blowing. What could this mean for our understanding of life beyond Earth? But as time passed, the mystery of Tabby's star deepened. Further research into the star's behavior suggested that the irregular dimming might be better explained by natural phenomena, particularly the presence of large dust clouds in space. The dust, which could be made up of tiny particles of rock and ice, could block light in an unpredictable way, leading to the observed fluctuations. While the idea of a Dyson sphere around Tabby's star remained a tantalizing possibility, the natural explanations seemed to make more sense. Still, the mystery of Tabby's star hasn't been fully solved, and it continues to be a subject of intrigue and investigation. Could there still be something else at play here? It's a question that scientists are still working to answer, and one that leaves us wondering just how much we might still have to discover about the cosmos. The search for explanations. As the mystery surrounding Tabby's star grew, astronomers and astrophysicists began to dive deeper into understanding what was causing the unusual light fluctuations. Early theories revolved around the possibility of an alien megastructure, perhaps a Dyson sphere, a massive array of satellites orbiting the star. This idea was thrilling, offering the tantalizing thought that humanity might be on the verge of discovering extraterrestrial intelligence. However, as more data was collected, it became clear that there might be a more natural explanation. In 2016, a team of researchers proposed that the dimming of Tabby's star could be caused by a vast cloud of dust, not an artificial structure. Their study showed that the way the light from the star was dimmed at different wavelengths pointed more towards the scattering effects of dust particles. The dust clouds, possibly located within or near the star system, could have blocked the light in an irregular fashion, causing the observed fluctuations. Unlike a solid object like a Dyson sphere, dust can move, shift, and change density over time, explaining why the dimming wasn't uniform. This explanation, although more grounded in natural phenomena, didn't completely erase the excitement surrounding the alien megastructure theory. The fact that such an anomaly existed in the first place was still a fascinating puzzle. While dust clouds might be the most likely cause, the mystery left many with lingering questions. Could it be that we were simply too quick to dismiss the possibility of a Dyson sphere? Or had we just uncovered a new natural phenomenon in the universe? Either way, Tabby's star continues to be a symbol of how much we still don't understand about the cosmos. The search for answers is far from over, and the allure of an alien megastructure remains a thought-provoking possibility. Unraveling the mystery. While the investigation into Tabby's star seemed to offer a more plausible explanation with the dust theory, astronomers continued to find similar anomalies in other distant stars. In 2019, a team of researchers identified more than a dozen stars exhibiting similar irregular dimming patterns, sparking a new wave of questions. Were we simply seeing the same phenomenon repeated across multiple stars? Or was there something deeper at play? Something we hadn't yet fully understood? These newly discovered stars, like Tabby's star, showed unpredictable dips in brightness. While some scientists believed that these fluctuations could be caused by interstellar dust, others speculated that it could be an entirely new kind of cosmic phenomenon. The fact that these stars shared similar behaviors raised the possibility that such dimming patterns could be relatively common, occurring in other systems as well. It was an exciting thought. If more stars were exhibiting these behaviors, it could signal that we were on the cusp of a breakthrough in understanding how the universe operates. But just like with Tabby's star, the natural explanation of dust continued to be the most likely cause for these fluctuations. The dust, made up of particles scattered across the cosmos, could be abundant and not entirely detectable by traditional methods. This raised another important question. Were we overlooking something? Or could our technology just not be advanced enough to fully analyze the complexities of these distant systems? Despite the ongoing research and natural explanations, the idea that an alien megastructure could be responsible for the dimming of stars has not been entirely ruled out. Some scientists still argue that we need more data, more studies, and more exploration before we can completely dismiss the possibility of Dyson spheres or other artificial structures. As we continue to observe the stars and search for techno-signatures, signs of advanced civilizations, the mystery remains unresolved, keeping the possibility of discovering alien megastructures tantalizingly close, yet just out of reach. Project Hephaistos. While Tabby's star and its mystery might not have led to the discovery of an alien megastructure, the concept of Dyson spheres and other megastructures continues to spark interest in the scientific community. The idea of searching for signs of advanced civilizations through techno-signatures has gained considerable traction in recent years. Techno-signatures are indicators of technology created by extraterrestrial civilizations, much like how we look for signals or signs of intelligent life in our search for extraterrestrials. One of the most exciting endeavors in this area is Project Hephaistos, a study focused on detecting potential techno-signatures from distant stars. Researchers in this project are using infrared data gathered from various space observatories, including the Spitzer Space Telescope and the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope, to search for unusual heat emissions that might indicate artificial megastructures. If a Dyson sphere or a similar structure were built around a star, it would likely absorb a significant portion of the star's energy, emitting waste heat in the infrared spectrum. This heat signature could be detectable from Earth. What makes the search for techno-signatures so exciting is the possibility of discovering something far beyond our current understanding of technology. A Dyson sphere, for example, would be an extraordinary achievement, something that goes far beyond anything humans have even begun to contemplate. While we've only just begun to explore this frontier, the technological advancements we're seeing today, such as advancements in infrared astronomy, are allowing us to look deeper into space than ever before. Every new discovery, no matter how small, brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe, and maybe, just maybe, finding evidence of a civilization that has mastered the art of harnessing the power of a star. The mystery of alien megastructures. Despite the years of research and the natural explanations we've found for the phenomena observed in stars like Tabby's star, the idea of alien megastructures, like Dyson spheres, continues to captivate the imagination of both scientists and the general public. The search for extraterrestrial life and advanced civilizations is a central pursuit in modern astronomy, and the discovery of an alien megastructure would represent one of the most profound breakthroughs in human history. The fact that we've yet to find definitive evidence of such megastructures doesn't mean they don't exist. It could simply mean we're not looking in the right way. The universe is vast, and the possibilities for what could be out there are almost endless. Even the most advanced telescopes and instruments we have today are limited in their reach and resolution. Perhaps the alien civilizations we're searching for are far more advanced than we can even conceive, using technology so beyond our own that we don't have the tools to detect it yet. On the other hand, it's also possible that we are overthinking things, seeing patterns in the stars where there may be none. As we've learned from the study of Tabby's star and similar stars, many of the anomalies in starlight can be explained by natural phenomena, like dust or debris, rather than by artificial objects. Still, the mystery of Dyson spheres and other alien megastructures persists, partly because of our desire to know that we're not alone in the universe, and partly because of the tantalizing possibility that someone, somewhere, has already achieved what we can only dream of. In the end, the search for alien megastructures may not only reveal signs of intelligent life, but also offer profound insights into the future of humanity. Could we one day build a Dyson sphere ourselves? Are we truly ready to take that next step toward becoming a spacefaring civilization? As the search for alien megastructures continues, we are forced to reflect on our own place in the cosmos, and perhaps rethink what's possible for our future. The search for answers is ongoing, and each discovery brings us closer to unlocking the universe's deepest secrets. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Dyson sphere mystery, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to InnoVision Tech for more mind-blowing content on the latest in science and technology. What do you think? Are we on the verge of discovering alien megastructures, or is it just wishful thinking? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Stay curious and keep exploring the boundaries of science with us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.